oh my gosh thing. You ready to go camping? Yeah, I think he is. Alright guys, welcome back to another adventure. We're back out here in the camper with my pup, and we're going to go do a little adventure, a little truck camping. My boy's sitting here, he's super excited, I can tell. He missed out on the last adventure, but luckily went back, scooped him up, and now we're heading back out to the mountains to go do a fun little camping trip. It is a beautiful day today. My goodness, we got a treat in December. It's 71 degrees right now. I got my boy right here. He's back at it. We're going camping, and we might even have some friends meet up with us here later today. Still not 100% sure, but they might randomly roll up in our campsite. We've got a long, long road ahead of us. Big, long dirt road. Hopefully it's not too bumpy. I've been up this road a bunch, and every time I come up it, it's different. Sometimes it's really smooth and graded nicely. Sometimes it is insanely rough. So we'll see how it is today. All right, we're turning around. We're going to go back to the site that I saw. I went a little further to see if this site up here was taken or not, and it was, so we're turning around. We're going back to the next site down. All right, guys, right here. Let's see if this is good enough.
Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no let's let go. Take me home, I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love.
Not too bad. And we even have a little bit of a view over there. Kind of nice. Super nice. There's the road, so we're not too far off the road. I think another car can pull in right here. I see tracks that people do that, so that's a spot. We got a little fire ring. I guess we'll burn whatever this is. Trash. We got trash over here. Classic. I feel like it's impossible for people to go camping and not leave trash. I feel like it's impossible. You want inside? You want inside the camper? Alright. Just chill up there for right now, okay? Is it a little hot in here? Yeah. Man, this is a mess. What do you see, pup? Says lookout spot. So we're still a little bit well, we're not a little bit, we're really unlevel. So I gotta level this out. No way. Oh my gosh, Bean. Somebody's here. Hello.
Hello. What up, what up, what up?
What up, what up, what up? What's up?
We made it. He's right down there with you. I'm just killing it.
All right, guys, this is as good as we're gonna get. We're still tilted just a little bit downhill, but it's better than anything. I used all of my leveling blocks and I'm still a little bit downhill. It just is what it is. Oh, oh, oh.
Now cut. Now straighten it out. Alright. Take it back. I mean, that's perfect.
Come on. All right, guys, we made it back before sundown, which is amazing. I am absolutely starving. We got steak, we got potatoes, we got some snacks and stuff and some treats, and we're gonna start cooking up. Yep. All right, guys. It looks, honestly, it doesn't look that good, but it's gonna taste good. It's actually good. The steak is actually good too. Yeah, it's pretty tender too. I'm actually surprised on how good this turned out. I know I'm using an absolutely massive knife, but it's the only knife I have. Getting a fire ready. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Man, dinner is devoured. The fire is made, and now we're just chilling.
Now we're just chilling.
Just chilling. Cheyenne made this fire herself.
I did.
Can't believe it. All right, guys, we're wrapping up, getting ready for sleep. Pup is all cozy over there. And hopefully we'll stay warm tonight. I'm not gonna be using my heater tonight, or at least I'm gonna try not to use my heater and see if we can stay warm. I'm gonna brush my teeth, get in my PJs, and go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Whoa. I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone, dude. It is so foggy right now. Wow. And so quiet. I did not expect to wake up to this. Some people, like, they get like axe murderer vibes. But me, like, I don't know, it's just like stillness, you know? The forest just seems still. First sip. It's just good. How'd you guys sleep last night? Because me, I slept great. I cannot believe how good I slept. I slept almost better than I sleep at home, which is insane because this mattress is really not that comfortable. I don't know what it was, but we have a special guest. Oh.
Hey.
Guys, I don't think we're gonna be able to do the hike that we wanted to do originally because, well, there's no point of doing that hike because it's completely socked in. And the whole point of that hike is to get awesome views. I don't really know what we're going to do because it's probably not gonna clear up. We checked the forecast. It's supposed to be like cloudy and a chance of rain all day. Yeah, right now we're just making eggs and stuff. Look at this. Got a bunch of eggs, some avocado toast. Looking good. I've got it running to recharge. This is gonna be a mess.
Levi made the avocado toast.
Thanks, player.
I did do that. Is it hitting the spot, guys?
It is, yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, luckily we're going down the dirt road, so pretty slow going.
$1,200 is like the one.
Come here, Pete. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here.
Go on the
Come
truck.
on.
You'll come.
Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Go. Go, but don't go down. Come on. Here, baby. Oh, is he scared?
Yeah, he doesn't. I know. He's not kidnapping you.
I'm not taking you.
I see you in there, you little crack rat. Ah! I already forgot that I lowered it. Woo! Let's get out of here, Pup. We did it, Pup. We did it.
Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no love that's like gold. Take me home, I'm holding